Apple's iPad lineup has reached a strange crossroads. The iPad Pro just leaped forward with the M5 chip and an OLED display, setting a new standard. But the iPad Air, once considered the smart choice, now feels like it's drifting behind. With Apple reportedly preparing the M4-powered iPad Air for 2026, expectations are high, yet the leaks suggest this update might not be as groundbreaking as fans had hoped. It's a reminder that while Apple refines, it rarely revolutionizes, at least not outside the Pro lineup. The 2025 iPad Air with the M3 chip was already a minimal refresh. Same aluminum chassis, same design, and the same 11-inch and 13-inch sizes. Apple didn't touch the bezels, display, or camera layout, merely added compatibility for the latest Magic Keyboard and called it a day. That approach worked for some. The Air remains the cheapest way to get an M-series chip, offering strong value for light professional use. But now that the Pro line has jumped 2 generations ahead, the Air risks becoming the mid-tier iPad in name only, without any real excitement to justify its price. The disappointment continues with the display. Despite growing speculation, multiple sources, including McRumors and Bloomberg, confirm that OLED is still not coming to the iPad Air. Instead, Apple is said to be developing a more advanced form of LED technology that improves brightness and contrast but doesn't deliver the same depth or thinness of OLED panels. Essentially, it's a halfway upgrade that keeps costs down but leaves the Air looking outdated next to the iPad Pro's vivid OLED. Analysts suggest true OLED might not arrive on the Air until the M6 or even M7 generation, likely years away. What will change is the processor. The upcoming iPad Air will reportedly carry the M4 chip, the same one powering the 2024 iPad Pro, though likely in a limited configuration. Apple's history with chip binning suggests we'll see a 9-core CPU and 10-core GPU variant, slightly trimmed down to keep the Pro model superior. Performance gains should be noticeable, but not dramatic, and the real benefit will likely come from efficiency. The M4's architecture has proven exceptionally power efficient in the MacBook lineup, meaning battery life could see a small but meaningful bump. Though the tablet's physical design and battery capacity are expected to remain the same, RAM could be another missed opportunity. While the M5 iPad Pro and iPhone 17 Pro series now ship with 12 gigabytes of RAM, insiders are divided on whether Apple will give the Air the same treatment. The current M3 model still ships with 8 gigabytes, and Apple's track record suggests they'll hold that line to maintain clear separation from the Pro. If that happens, multitasking and heavy app performance could still lag behind, making the Air feel like a device intentionally limited by design. According to Apple's internal roadmap, the iPad Air M4 is targeted for release in the first half of 2026, with a launch window between March and June being most probable. This would keep Apple's yearly refresh rhythm intact, though few expect a major unveiling event. A quiet website update seems more likely. Pricing, however, will reportedly remain unchanged. $599 for the 11-inch Wi-Fi model and $799 for the 13-inch version.